In this video, I will show you how to install Fiverr app and how you can log into your profile, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. Let me show you how. For everyone using Android phone, go ahead and make sure you open up your Play Store on your Android phone. So after successful open up your Play Store, go ahead and click on search right here. Then go ahead and click on search app and type in Fiverr. Fiverr, then hit on search. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here, just like so. As at the time of making this video, 10 million plus are using this app right here for freelancing. All you have to do is to make sure you click on install. After the successful installation, go ahead and click on open right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on sign in right here. So at this point here, go ahead and enter your email address and your password right here. Having entered your email address or your username, go ahead and click on continue right here. Then go ahead and choose your means of identity verification right here. So I'm going to use my mail to verify my identity. Select my mail. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and hit on continue. A verification code is going to be sent to my mail. So I'm going to exit from here now. Then go ahead and proceed to the mail. So refresh my mail right here. So here we go. This is the verification code from Fiverr. So I'm going to simply open up the mail. Then the code is 170-525. Come back right here. 170-525. Then go ahead and hit on allow. And you are done right here. Successfully log in to your Fiverr account. It's that simple. Then from here, you can easily navigate to your profile. You can come down below right here, click on here to read your message in your Fiverr account, just like so. You can click on here to check on some of the history of your Fiverr account right here. These are complete order and these are cancel order right here on this particular account. Then if I click on this here, it takes me to my profile right here. So under the profile, you can see your earning, you can see your custom template, your brief, share gig, your profile, manage my gig, the availability, invite friend, preferences, account, as the case may be. It's that simple. So this is how to simply download and install Fiverr app on your phone without any stress. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Fiverr topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.